Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Now, speaking of food, have you ever heard about the alkaline diet? That's right, the alkaline diet. It's not just a passing fad but a health regimen that's gaining traction. This diet is rooted in the idea that the foods you eat can affect the acidity or alkalinity, the pH, of your body. And this, my friends, can have a significant impact on our overall health. The alkaline diet, also known as acid alkaline diet or alkaline ash diet, emerged from the early 20th century theories of alternative medicine practitioners. They proposed that the acid-producing foods we consume, like meat and wheat, cause our body to produce acid, which is then excreted. The residue, termed ash, was thought to affect the body's acidity level, and thus, its health. Fast forward to today, and the alkaline diet has made quite a name for itself. From celebrities to health gurus, many are singing its praises. The diet's popularity stems from the belief that by focusing on alkaline-forming foods, we can manage the pH levels in our bodies and prevent various health problems. The basic principle of the alkaline diet is simple. Eat more alkaline foods and fewer acid foods. Alkaline foods include fruits, nuts, legumes, and vegetables. Acid foods include meat, poultry, fish, dairy, eggs, grains, and alcohol. But it's not about completely eliminating certain food groups. Instead, it's about finding the right balance. But here's a pause for the cause, folks. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support helps us bring more such informative content your way. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is pH, and why is it so important? The term pH stands for potential of hydrogen. It's a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of our body's fluids and tissues. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Below 7 is considered acidic and above 7 is alkaline. But why does this matter? How does the pH level in our body affect our health? Well, that's a fantastic question. Stick around to find out. DPH, a term you might have last heard in your high school chemistry class, plays a critical role in our health. But what exactly is pH? Picture it as a scale, a kind of measuring stick for acidity and alkalinity in our body. On one end we have acidity marked as 0, and on the other end, alkalinity, marked as 14. Right in the middle at 7 we find neutral territory. Think pure water. Now why does this matter to us? Well, our bodies strive for balance, not too acidic, not too alkaline, but just right. This sweet spot is slightly alkaline, around 7.4. This balance allows our cells to function optimally, promoting overall health and well-being. But here's the catch. Our modern diets, often high in processed foods and sugars, can tip the scales towards acidity. This can put a strain on our bodies as they work overtime to restore balance. So, how do we help our bodies maintain this delicate pH balance? The answer lies in our food choices. Foods are categorized as acidic or alkaline based on the residue they leave in our bodies after digestion, not their initial pH. For instance, lemons, while acidic in nature, are alkaline-forming in our bodies. Similarly, meat, though not acidic to taste, leaves an acidic residue. By choosing more alkaline-forming foods like fruits, vegetables, and certain grains, we can support our body's pH balancing act. But remember, balance is key. Our bodies need both acidic and alkaline foods in the right proportions to function properly. So, as we explore the alkaline diet in the upcoming scenes, think of it more as a guide for balance rather than an all-or-nothing approach. It's about making mindful choices that support our body's natural pH balance and promote health from the inside out. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more informative content, and comment below with your thoughts so far. Now that we understand pH, let's dive into the foods that the alkaline diet recommends. If the alkaline diet were a party, fruits and vegetables would be the life of it. These vibrant, nutrient-packed delights are the backbone of this diet. From the humble apple to the exotic papaya, fruits are alkaline-forming foods that help balance your body's pH levels. And let's not forget our green friends, the vegetables. Spinach, broccoli, cucumbers, you name it. They're all invited to the alkaline party. Now let's move on to the unsung heroes of the alkaline diet, the nuts and seeds. Almonds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds are just a few examples. They're not only alkaline-forming but also rich in essential fatty acids and protein. Herbs and spices also play a crucial role in the alkaline diet. They're like the confetti that adds color and flavor to the party. Basil, parsley, ginger. These are alkaline-forming and packed full of antioxidants. What's a party without a refreshing drink, right? Well, in the alkaline diet, water is king. But not just any water, we're talking about mineral water and alkaline water. They help flush out toxins and balance pH levels in the body. And finally, for all you grain lovers out there, don't worry, you're not left out. Whole grains like millet and buckwheat are alkaline-forming and are part of this diet. So why are these foods chosen? Well, they're alkaline-forming, meaning they produce alkaline ash when digested. This can help neutralize acid in the bloodstream, boost metabolism, and maintain healthy cells and tissues. As we journey through the alkaline diet, remember it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat as well. Eating in a stress-free environment, chewing thoroughly, and enjoying every bite can enhance the alkalizing effect of these foods. But what about the foods we should avoid? Let's find out. Just as there are foods that can help manage our pH levels, there are also foods that can throw it off balance. Let's talk about the foods that can tip the pH scale to the acidic side, which we aim to minimize or avoid in the alkaline diet. Firstly, we have meat and poultry. They are high in protein, which can cause an increase in acidity when metabolized. This doesn't mean you have to give up your favorite steak entirely, but moderation is key. Next up, dairy products. They might be a great source of calcium, but they can also contribute to acidity. So think twice before you reach for that extra slice of cheese. Then we have refined grains. Foods like white bread, pasta, and rice go through a process that removes many of their nutrients, leaving behind a product that can increase acidity. Processed foods, those convenient pre-packaged meals and snacks, are also on the list. They often contain additives, preservatives, and artificial sweeteners that can disrupt our pH balance. And of course, let's not forget about sugary drinks and alcohol. They can cause a significant increase in acidity, not to mention their other health implications. Now, why is it important to avoid these foods? When the body's pH level leans more towards acidity, it can lead to a state known as acidosis. This can cause fatigue, rapid breathing, confusion, and it can even affect the function of our organs. So, just as we nourish our bodies with alkaline-enhancing foods, it's also crucial to be mindful of the foods that can disrupt our body's pH balance. But remember, the alkaline diet isn't about completely eliminating these foods. It's about understanding the effects they have on our bodies and making informed choices about what we consume. Remember, the key is balance. But how do we achieve that balance? Time to explore that. Achieving a balance in our diet can seem daunting, but the alkaline diet offers a framework to make it easier. Yes, indeed, it's all about finding a happy medium, a sweet spot if you will, that facilitates wellness and vitality. Let's delve into some practical tips and strategies for incorporating the alkaline diet into your everyday life. First off, always remember that it's not about completely overhauling your diet overnight. That's like trying to climb Mount Everest with no training. It's just not feasible, nor is it sustainable. Start with small changes like swapping out your regular snack for an alkaline-friendly alternative. Maybe it's reaching for a banana instead of a cookie, or sipping on herbal tea instead of that afternoon cup of joe. Now, the second strategy is all about painting your plate with a broad spectrum of alkaline foods. Think vibrant greens, rich purples, deep reds, and bright oranges. This not only ensures a variety of nutrients, but also makes your meals visually appealing. After all, we do eat with our eyes first. Next, let's talk about the importance of moderation. While the alkaline diet does encourage consuming certain foods, it doesn't mean you should be eating them in copious amounts. It's the same principle as too much of a good thing can be bad. Balance is key. Equally important is listening to your body. Every individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to how certain foods make you feel. If something doesn't sit well with you, it's okay to tweak your diet accordingly. Before we conclude, don't forget to check the description box for our recommended health products that can support you on your alkaline diet journey. It's like having a personal guide at your fingertips. And that's a wrap on the alkaline diet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your experiences or questions. Remember, your health is your wealth. Strive for balance, embrace moderation, and listen to your body. Here's to a healthier, happier you.